Hi guys, in today's video, we'll be looking at how to fix there has been a critical error on this website. Now this error is usually caused by a plugin or a theme on your WordPress website. Now to fix this issue, we have to disable or deactivate the plugin or the theme causing this error. So we're going to go to our cPanel and enable the debug mode to know which of the theme or plugin is causing the error. So I'll go to my cPanel. So you can access your cPanel from your web hosting provider, just log into your account. So from the cPanel, I'll click on File Manager, or you can search for File Manager here. Well, I'm going to click on File Manager. Now from the File Manager, I have a subdomain folder on my cPanel, but in case you don't have any subdomain on your cPanel, just click on the public-html file, then you right click on the WP config file, and you click on Edit. But in my own case, I have a subdomain name on my cPanel, so I'll go back. Now click my folder, subdomain folder. Then I'll right click on the WP config file. Then I'll click on Edit. I'll click on Edit. So we'll scroll down to line 82. So we have line 82 here. Then we'll change the false to 3. With this, guys, we've enabled the debug mode in our website. So save changes. So I'll go back to my website and refresh the website. So from here, we can see the name of the plugin causing this error, which is the all-in-one WP migration plugin. So we'll go back to our cPanel and go to File Manager. I'll go to my subdomain folder. So I'll click on the WP contents folder. So I'll click on the plugins folder. So from here, I can locate the name of the plugin causing this error. Now the name of the plugin causing the error, which we know now, is the all-in-one WP migration. So what we can do here, we can delete the plugin or rename this plugin to deactivate the plugin. So but in this case, I'm going to delete the plugin. So I'll right click and click delete. You can also choose rename. And if you rename this plugin, the plugin will just be deactivated, but it won't be deleted. So I'm going to click on delete. And I'll confirm. Now in case this error is caused by a theme, we can follow the same process. So we'll go back to our theme folders. So here is the theme folders. I'm going to select the theme folder that is causing the error. So you right click on the folder to rename the folder to deactivate it, or just delete the folder. So but in this case, it's not the theme that is causing the error, it's a plugin that is causing the error. So I'll go back to my website and refresh the page. And as I refresh my website, I also got another plugin that is also causing a critical error. Now you can see the name of the plugin here, which is the Elementor plugin. So I'll also follow the same process. I'll go back to my cPanel. I'll right click on the Elementor folder, rename the folder to deactivate it, or just delete the plugin. So I'm going to delete the plugin. Now press confirm. Then I'll go back to my website and I'll refresh the page. So with this, guys, we've successfully fixed this error. Now we can go back to our cPanel and deactivate or disable the debug mode. So I'll go back to my cPanel, then back to line 82. I'll set this true back to false, and I'll save changes. So after deactivating the debug mode from your cPanel, you can go to your WordPress admin dashboard and install a new plugins. And in my own case, I deleted Elementor and all-in-one WP migration, so I can go back to my WordPress admin dashboard and install a new versions of those plugins. So thank you guys for watching today's video. I hope today's video has helped you out fix the critical error issue. Thank you guys. Like, subscribe, share.